Today we're going to be talking about our passive technology, how it relates to the ViewScan, and the different applications that it can be used for. The ViewScan Concealed Weapons Detection System is a completely passive device. It finds metallic objects such as cell phones, guns, knives, or any other ferromagnetic object on your body as you pass through. What passive means is that we use gradiometer sensors to measure fluctuations in the Earth's magnetic field as you pass through. We do not generate or emit any radiation whatsoever, making it safe for people with medical implants such as pacemakers, a woman who may be pregnant, or a combination of any of those things. In addition to being a completely passive technology, some of the other benefits of the ViewScan are speedier throughput, video capture, it's very easy to use and interpret, portability, meaning you can have a rigid permanent install or you can have a portable unit to transport around, and there is no daily calibration required whatsoever. What I'd like to do now is a short demonstration of the ViewScan and the difference between clean and dirty scans and how our software reacts as I pass through the device. As you can see, the background stayed blue and you heard no warning audible, signifying a clean scan. I'm adding in a box cutter blade as I pass through the device. You notice that the background turns red. You heard the warning audible, and it immediately shows you exactly where the item is in our software. What I'd like to do now is show you multiple object detection. I have a firearm in one hand and the box cutter blade in the other. As you can see, it pinpointed both items separately, giving you an accurate description of where the items are. For those facilities that require no cell phone admittance, we absolutely detect cell phones as well. Warning. As you can see on the screen, it pinpointed that the cell phone was in my right hand at approximately 6 feet off the ground. Passive technology, being safe for everybody that walks through it. Digital imaging, having a picture of everybody that walks through it. Laptop controlled, being able to look at the screen and pinpoint where items are visually, and network connectivity, being able to connect multiple ViewScans together as well as tie into your existing surveillance system. For more information on the ViewScan or our other products, please email us or visit our website